Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today is another interesting episode of Free Friday, and you know what Free Friday is. It's that time of the week where we go ahead and give out free stuff. So recently we've been talking about a whole lot of things that has to do with material, ranging from how you make material for clothes to how you can go ahead and play with materials in Keyshot and so on and so forth. And we've also looked at the new HDRI feature that has made its way to Unreal Engine. Link to all of this is going to be in the description, and also you should go ahead and check the channel. Maybe you can find something that will be very useful. And today we are looking at something quite interesting. And before we get right into it, if you take a look at the scene, you would see that we have a very nice looking ball that we can connect several HDR maps to. And you know, automatically you can see directly here, because we're making use of Eevee at this point, you can automatically see that we're having these things to work. Other things that you can also go ahead and play with is, you know, you being able to connect all of this stuff so that you can get this very cool lighting feature. Another thing you would notice by just simply looking at this is here. So right from here, you will be able to also see that we have textures here. So that brings me to talking about where you can get this texture and the HDRIs that we're playing with. Now, these HDRIs can range from 2K to 4K, and you can actually get them for free. Now, the website which we're going to talk about is an amazing website which is known as HDR Maps. Now, HDR Maps actually have a whole lot of stuff that you can go ahead and get. Above 400 free stuffs, I guess, that you can get. There's also a couple of things that you can find there that are actually paid for, but we'll just go right into it and, you know, show you guys what you can get. If you go over to HDR, you'll be able to find textures that you can play with. So all of these textures, you can find them, and you've just seen that we've been able to play with it in Blender, which simply means you can use it in basically every app of your choice. If you go ahead and download any of these textures, you will be able to download, you know, the EXR, and you can extract them, or you can simply download these ones. If you want to get something that is more than 2K maps, of course you'll be able to get them for a certain fee. It's not so much, but of course, I mean, you can go ahead and support the artist that's making these things possible. Also, you can get a whole lot of other stuff that are being paid for. But if you go over to the freebies section, you'll be able to find free HDRs that you can work with. So all of these ones, I guess there are about 500 free ones that you can find. So you can go ahead and get these things, very high quality stuff that you can work with. Most of them range from 40 to 100 megabytes, and you can actually preview them directly here and see what it looks like. So if you want to get these cool stuffs that you will be able to use, let's say you want to, you know, use this for your lighting, you want to use this for your rendering, this is probably the most perfect place for you to come get it. There is also a pack that is available that you can get for free, and this pack is actually made for 3D code, but nothing actually says you cannot use this. You can download this pack and you can use it for any software of your choice. One thing to note though is, for you to have access to all of this, you need to create an account to this website, and you can go ahead and download as much as you want and use them for anything that you want. The free sections, or the freebie section of this website, is governed, or it's available under the Creative Commons, you know, licensing. So you can go ahead and, you know, go through and download this. And one of the things you find when you start downloading this, or before you download this, is just in case you want to go ahead and support the artist, of course you can also come through and donate to the artist in case you want. The paid ones are actually more than 4K. I guess the paid one are about 20K. And actually, if you come through and you look through here, you'll be able to see that this is actually 20K. I would like to know what you guys think about this and what your use case is going to be. This is another episode of Free Friday. The internet is here, you're there. Go ahead, download these, use them for whatever you want. If you're into product rendering, if you're into visualization, if you're into just making stuff look cool, of course a HDRI map will be very, you know, reasonable and will come in handy for you. So tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit the like button and turn on notification. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video or the next upload. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.